Hey everybody, it's Emily. In today's video, I'm going to be doing another updated room tour. I know I do room tours so much, but I literally can never stick to one thing. So yeah, a lot of people requested that I do this, so I went ahead and did it. And also, I'm going to be moving soon. So that's another reason I just kind of wanted to capture how my room looks before I move. So first up, we have my white shelf, which I have had for a while now. I just have some random decorations on here. I don't really know what my theme's going for. I just have some of my books up here on this top shelf and some film cameras. So yeah, going down, everything's a little bit different now. In this first shelf here, I keep some jewelry and accessories. I have this little vintage Furby. I think it's like from McDonald's in the 90s. I have this cute butterfly heart that I keep like my body jewelry in, and I actually just thrifted this. I thought it was really cute and vintage looking and very cottagecore. So yeah, I'm super into cottagecore stuff. Back here, I have this Bad Bats Sanrio vintage coin purse I thrifted, and this little Hello Kitty, some Bratz collectible cards. I found the cutest little squishy babies at the Dollar Tree, and I'm obsessed with them. I have this little blue one here, and I have this star jewelry holder, which I actually got from the Dollar Tree. I'm obsessed with this. In this wicker basket, which I've also become obsessed with wicker baskets, I have my colorful sunglasses, and behind that I have my Polaroid photo album thing. Going down, I still have my VHS VCR TV, another wicker basket with some remotes in it, and my lighters for candles, and my remote for changing the lights, my pocket knife for opening packages. The pocket knife I actually got from Amazon. A lot of people ask me about it. So yeah, this Weheartit doll I decided to put back out because I'm just like obsessed with it, and it's really cool. Here's my VHS collection Coraline doll. I don't really have any new ones, so they're all pretty much the same from the last room tour. I found this really cool paperweight with a scorpion in it. I thrifted that. Thought it was kind of cool. Matches the vibe. Down here I have a record player, a vintage teddy bear, another wicker basket with my black glasses in it, and this really cool sand thing that I made. I don't know, it was just kind of a random thing of me and my boyfriend when we went to the beach. And yeah, that is what's in there. On the side of my shelf I have my everyday purse, this cool keychain with a bunch of cool different like keychain things on it. They're all kind of random, got them different places. And then I have this little mini cowboy hat which I got from the Dollar Tree. On the other side I have my mask collection, which I've become a mask like hoarder. I love having all kinds of different masks, so that is what is on this side. So moving on, I have a wooden side table, which I thrifted. I have a cute plushy cow. Down here I have this metal tin can. I don't really know what it is. I got it from Goodwill. I think it's a cigarette case. It's kind of rusty on the inside, but I thought the outside was pretty cool. And then I charge my phone here, so there's my phone. And I have this littlest pet shop here on the top of my mini fridge, and I just keep waters pretty much. That's all that's in there. So that's my side table. So before we get to my bed, underneath it, I know a lot of people are saying, oh, you changed your style, are you still into goth stuff, or they just think I got into goth stuff all of a sudden. But no, actually I have literally like all of my goth decor underneath my bed. This is still one of my favorite things. I'm literally a goth at heart, so I have all of my decorations here, and I plan on keeping them until I get like my own house eventually, so I'm able to have like a room where it's just goth aesthetic, because yeah, I don't know, my aesthetic changes a lot. So yeah, I just kept all my stuff under there. Here's my bed. Same bed I've had. Yeah, nothing really different about it, except that I got a white bedspread. And yeah, we have my Kurt poster and a hanging plant here, and my LED lights in the back. So this is where my desk is. We have a little pet shop again, and my setup's kind of changed of my makeup. I cleaned it out a bunch. I'm trying to be more minimalist. I know I say this in probably every room tour, but yeah, I've cleaned out a lot of my makeup. Underneath here, I have this iGirl box, which I thought was really cool, so I decided to keep, and I put hair ties and stuff in it. The desk is from IKEA. If you're interested, it's a really cool desk, nice desk. And then we have my black vanity light, which I spray painted. It's from Vanity Impressions if you're interested. Here's my closet. So going into my closet, on the door I have some bags. Of course, I keep all my tags on my door. They're not really any different than before. But here I keep all of my bags. They're not all of my bags, they're just some bags that I don't really want to display outside of my room. So here they are. Now going into the actual closet part. Here we have my hamper, some slides that I wear to go outside, a step ladder, some extra hangers, my pants, denim pants, some extra bags. These are for when I go hiking and riding bikes and stuff. Up there we have some more shoes that I don't really wear that often. Some Docs on the top shelf. More boots. I'm going to be doing a updated shoe collection video soon, so if you guys are interested in that. Yeah, and then up here we have all of my graphic tees. They're not really organized, they're just kind of there. Some denim shorts, goes into black denim skirts. I have a harness there. Just all my skirts, and then in the back I have some bigger pants that I can't really fold. Underneath there I have some more shoes, and over here I have this really cool thing I got from IKEA, which holds my belts. It was actually for pots, but I just really love how this is kind of organized. Here we have my basket of hats. All of my hats are here. Got the wire basket from Target if you're interested. And then in here, my Alex drawers, we pretty much have the same thing I show in every room tour. And yeah, at the bottom I'm currently keeping all of my swimsuits. I acquired a bunch of new swimsuits this year, and I didn't really even wear half of them, so here are some more shoes. These are my everyday shoes, and also some sandals. Those shelf units I got from Target, and you can actually stack them, so I really love those shelves, because you can use them for shoes or whatever, pretty much. So yeah, here's my closet. Really organized, super simple. Really like this setup. Next, out of my closet, this is where I keep some of my jewelry. Most of my main jewelry I keep on this dresser here. I've had this little thing forever. Here's my Alexa, and this little cardboard box I got from Dollar Tree is super cute. I put all of my big earrings in it. This little wooden tray I thrifted, and I keep all of my extra jewelry and like my lotions and stuff. This crystal heart I thrifted as well. It's just for like jewelry, I guess. So I keep all of my earrings in here, and it's just super cute and vintage looking. So yeah, that's a little setup. In this other crystal tray, I keep my ball chain necklaces here. So I have like iGirl necklaces in here, some DIY necklaces. This lamp I really like. I got it from it's from Target. I have a succulent, some mushrooms, this squishy llama which I got from Five and Below. It's super cute. Kind of like a cottagecore theme there. And I forgot to show this, but in this bowl I got from Dollar Tree, I keep all of my hair clips. And then in the drawers, top drawer, I have all of my skincare stuff and extra makeup. And here I have my palettes, extra makeup, some headbands to keep my hair back. Got some soap for soap brows, a water bottle. This water bottle got from Dollar Tree. Pretty much all of my organization stuff is from Dollar Tree. In here I have setting sprays, extra beauty blenders. These little canister things I got from Dollar Tree. I'm super obsessed with them. I have these reusable cotton pads. I really suggest everybody getting some of these. They're just reusable. They look like they're dirty, but I swear they're clean. They're cotton pads, but you just throw them in the washer and you can reuse them over and over again. In the next drawer, I have all of my hair stuff. So in this box, I have my wigs, my hair tools, some hair products, the little basket that this is in. Those are from IKEA, and I just thought they're really nice to organize stuff. Have some extra clips. In the next drawer, I have extra accessories and stuff, mainly extra jewelry. In there I keep like rings, earrings. In this Hello Kitty tin lunchbox, I keep all of my goth jewelry, so like all my spiked collars, chokers, some extra perfume in here, more jewelry. Here is my iGirl pearls. I show these like all the time, but I love these. I just never get to wear them that much. And here I have more iGirl jewelry or hair accessories. In this thing I have some temporary tattoos, the little jar I got from Dollar Tree. Here's some extra nails, hair stuff, scrunchies, my phone cases, my wildflower cases, and that is what's in this drawer. Some reading glasses for the computer for blue light, and I have scarves and bandanas in here. In the last drawer, I keep my extra blankets, and then some extra shirts. These are goth shirts. And in this shoebox, I keep socks. These are like long socks. And then in the middle, I keep all of my everyday socks. So that is what is in the drawers. Here I have this wall of, I don't know, random stuff, to be honest. This butterfly poster I got off Amazon, the Courtney Love poster, I forgot where I got. I think it's from bananaroad.com. Here's my longboard and my shelf of just random clothes. I don't really know. Here at the end I have some sweatshirts and hoodies and stuff. And then I just have some random stuff that I thrifted a while back, but yeah, I don't really have a rhyme or reason to the rack. It's just kind of there. So that is pretty much the end of the room tour. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed it and it gives you some inspiration. Don't forget to like this video and follow me on my social medias, which will be linked in the description. See you guys in the next video. Bye.